Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about move command, copy command and mirror command. Here in ribbon bar you can also see the move icon, copy icon and the mirror icon. So I prefer using the command by typing in the keyboard. Now simply type M and here you can see move and space bar M space and select the always after typing command look into the command line move select object. I'm selecting this object which I previously made, so selecting these objects and enter, select anywhere on the point and moving it, repeating the same command, selecting the object M space, you can move it, selecting M space, selecting, or simply you can type space bar in the keyboard for repeating the same previous command. Space, select space, this space, select the space bar. Now you copy command, select this. Okay, now move into the copy command, select the object, type CO for copy command, specify base point or displacement more. So I'm specifying the base point anywhere on the screen, copying, specify second point, so specifying the second point, or you can choose selecting the object, selecting object and copying command for CO and specifying the base point here. You can also choose the array A, then space, number of items, so you can choose 4, let's assume 4 here. The 4 same objects of 4 elements copies, selecting this. You can make single copies or the multiple copies. Now for mirror, selecting the image and typing mirror command MI, or simply you can click here and here you can see mirror. Select specify first point of mirror line. I'm selecting the first point of mirror line and specifying the second point of mirror line. I'll specify this here. And erase source object. If we select S, then the source object will be deleted. Let's see here, the source object deleted. Now Ctrl Z and repeating the same command, making the mirror image, selecting first point and second point, and now I'm clicking here no, then the real source object remains in the position. You can select mirror command, select anywhere on the line and select anywhere on the second point, and no, erase source object. No, this is how you make the mirror image. Like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips to learn faster. Peace out.